Okay, let's talk about money. Yeah, money that I never seen in my life. I'm a welfare, I'm a welfare. The government pays me. I got a food stamp, $200. I spend it on tea, I spend it on milk. I get that bread, I get that bread. I get on everything that's edible. I'm a welfare, I'm a welfare. I got that food stamps in my wallet, in my wallet, in my wallet. I hit it brother, I hit it brother. I get the grapes, I get the beans, I get the rice, I get the pasta, and I get it for free. And it's time to check out. I go to the cashier, cause I'm afraid that we find out that I'm on welfare. I got the food stamp, I got the food stamp. I don't wanna be embarrassed. So guess what I do? I take my groceries, I take my ass to the U-scan. I scan everything. After I'm done, I take that food stamp out. I take that food stamp out. I try to look behind my back. I look my right and left. And if somebody is looking, I took that big shot. I swipe it. I'm a $200 a month. I can get anything I want from Kroger, Publix, Target, and anywhere I sell that goddamn food. I'm a welfare. I got that Obama money. $200 a month. Can't beat